Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use the PayPal app. First, download the official PayPal app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, you can easily create a new account or log in using your existing PayPal credentials. Remember to verify your email address and link at least one bank account or debit card to get started with sending and receiving money securely and conveniently. Sending and receiving money through the PayPal app is incredibly straightforward. To send money, simply enter the recipient's email address or phone number, the amount, and a brief note. For receiving, you can send a payment request to someone. Most payments between PayPal accounts are processed instantly, making transactions quick and efficient. Keep in mind that sending money using a linked credit card may incur a small fee, typically around 2.9% plus a fixed amount. The PayPal app provides robust tools for managing your account and payments. You can easily view your current balance and review your complete transaction history, offering full transparency. Adding or removing bank accounts and credit or debit cards is simple, giving you flexibility in your payment methods. You can also set up automatic payments for subscriptions or recurring bills, ensuring you never miss a due date. Detailed statements are always available for your records. Beyond basic transactions, the PayPal app offers several additional features. You can use QR codes for quick, contactless payments at participating merchants, making in-person purchases seamless. Explore options like paying bills directly or making charitable donations to your favorite causes. For your security, always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. If you ever notice an unauthorized transaction, report it immediately through the app's Resolution Center for prompt assistance and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.